Hello. So today we are going to see which types of caps we have at Dular. So this is the first type. This is bonnet cap and it is in pure cotton. So we have this variety of bonnet caps in at Dular. So this is again a bonnet, but this is a thick material which is called flannel or quartz wool. So basically this is wear in winter season only. So these are two types of bonnets at Dular. We have this rabbit cap. It is also called sasa cap in Marathi. So this is having lining and it looks really pretty on your baby. So these are some traditional kind of caps available at Dular. So this is traditional kunchi, which is called kunchi, which is a Marathi word basically. So this is a square cap at top and we have flare at bottom. So this type of cap gives warmth to head as well as to the back of the baby. So these are with lining. And this is cotton kunchi which is available at Dular. This is another kunchi which is available in khand material at Dular. So this is made up of pure cotton khand and it comes with lining. So kunchi, as I said, gives warmth to both hair and back and comes with lining, so it is more it gives more warmth to baby's head and back. So this is something traditional available at Dular. And we have Khan bonnet also. This is how it looks. So this is Khan bonnet cap and comes with lining as well. So these are the number of caps available at Dular. Do you like it? And if you want to purchase it, you can directly buy from our website. Thank you.